me again. This is what I'm going to show you right here. See this? That's a 1982 ATC. I took the rack off of it because the rack is over there. The back rack was a wreck. Cracked fenders, that probably is bent. The trunk lid is bent. The seat is completely shit. The gas tank is the wrong gear. The handle down here is not even for the bike. But other than that, the bike turns over and it does the job. Let me turn the other way so I can show you. So anyway, I didn't pay much for this bike. Apparently it's got a crack over here. The flaps look okay, but I don't know if I'll be able to get those bolts off. The tires hold air. The front one had a flat. The front fender seems to be just turning white. The bar down there, that bar right there, the kickstand, it needs a new seat or seat foam. The seat pan is toast. I'm going to try to fix it. But overall, it looks kind of... I'll put a new set of hand grips on it. Seems fine. That's throttle thing seems fine. The bolts are a little bit crummy, but hey, it'll work. It's rough. This, I'll find another one online. Apparently it's a debacle. And I don't think this is supposed to be on here. I don't know. Like the rubber piece right in there is missing. It's got a rubber one there. So it's all good. I know that's not the right screw, so I'm gonna have to take that out. I think this pipe needs a cleaning. Surprised our front fender is okay, even though it's touching here. Yeah, it's got a little bit of a rivet job. Nobody had those plastic welding machines back in the day, so it's all good. I'm not gonna, what do you call it? The only thing I'm gonna try to do is get 2 new fenders, a trunk lid. I already got a new, I know this is, I'm gonna laugh. I already picked up a decent brand new replacement, this metal thing. I'm gonna get a tail light. I'll probably change this bar out. I know it's a zillion online. And that's it. There's not much to do on this bike, really. Apparently it ran last time it was parked. So I'm not doing a total restoration. Clean the tank, line it, find a seat, get a couple little parts, and get it running. That's the plan. I'm not stripping it down. Hell no. Not until at least 2 other bikes are done. Anyway, stay tuned. You'll see more of this bike. And thanks for watching.